Hello friends, welcome to Sumikaya Kalpam. Hope all are well. Today I am going to help you to deal with the dandruff. So as we know that there are two types of dandruff, one is oily dandruff and another is dry dandruff. So let's go through the picture of hair. As we know that the root of the hair is attached with the oil gland. Excessive amount of oil from the oil gland keeps the scalp oily, and that is the causes for oily dandruff, and less amount of oil from this oil gland makes the scalp dry, and that is one of the causes for dry dandruff. Dandruff is a yeast like fungus, and when the scalp is oily, it's very good food for the fungus, and it feeds that fungus to develop and to infected our scalp more and more. So there are many other causes for dry dandruff: chemicals for hair setting, styling, and other chemicals in our water, and the chemicals, sometimes the harsh chemical in shampoo also the causes for dry dandruff. Sunlight, air, dust is also the causes for dandruff, and the unhygienic condition is also causes for dandruff. Oily dandruff can be controlled very easily as it is a fungus. Go through regular shampooing. Every alternative days is necessary. Using a mild shampoo before shampooing, do scalp manipulation. As the scalp is oily, then there is no need of any oil while doing scalp manipulation. You can use cider vinegar, lemon juice for scalp massage, and for scalp massage go through my video scalp manipulation, and there I describe how to do the scalp manipulation. After the scalp manipulation, leave that vinegar and lemon juice throughout the night on your oily scalp. Then at the morning, go through hair pack. For oily dandruff, oily scalp, yogurt and henna is the very good hair pack, and that will control the fungal infection of dandruff and control the dandruff problem also. If you are using yogurt, then you can apply this natural hair pack every alternative days, or else you can use henna every 7 days. Weekly once you can apply henna. Leave this pack over the scalp and hair for about 30 minutes, minimum 20 to 30 minutes should be left. Then after, go for shampoo by using a mild shampoo. After that, rinse, then towel dry. But if you having a dry dandruff, then you should go for oil manipulation. Oil manipulation, already I have a video in my YouTube channel how to prepare that oil and how to go for that scalp manipulation. Just do this scalp manipulation for about 15 minutes. Leave the oil over the scalp and hair for about overnight for about 6 hours. Then at the morning, as you having the dry dandruff, the best hair pack is the egg. Here you have to use both the yellow and white part of the egg thoroughly over the scalp and hair. Leave it about for 20 minutes. Then after, go for shampooing by using a mild shampoo. After shampooing, don't forget to go for rinse your hair by help of vinegar or lemon juice. That is also I described in my previous video, so please go through that. Then towel drying. If you want to dry your hair by using a dryer, then use the cold air by using a good quality of serum. So many other points are there which can you have to remember to overcome the dandruff. Due to stress, sometimes the sebaceous gland become over activated, and that is the causes for oily dandruff, and sometimes it may be suppressed, and that is also the cause for dry dandruff. So to check your stress level, go through yoga, pranayamas, meditation. Do not forget to go for meditation and do some satkarmas. Next, take sufficient amount of probiotics and omega-3 in your diet. Omega-3 like the fish, nuts and oil seeds, that is containing sufficient amount of omega-3. Probiotics like yogurt, buttermilk, cheese, all the milk and milk products that is containing probiotics. It will help to deal with your dandruff. Then next, take sufficient amount of water. Go for 7 to 6 hours of sleep. Then proper hygienic routine also very much important, and do not use others towel, pillows, combs, other styling aids, or also you have to avoid all hair products like the mousse, setting spray, hairspray, setting lotions. keep your scalp and hair away from all these chemicals. And if you are going through hair dyes, then do not forget to go for scalp manipulation within 48 hours. If you are going for straightening or perming or any other thermal styling and chemical styling, then please go for scalp manipulation within 48 hours, and follow this scalp manipulation hair care routine every 48 hours. Every alternative days you need to take care of your scalp and hair. Check your diet, check your stress, and follow these techniques and follow these packs. So friends, do not forget to write me what difference you feel after following my tips, and do not forget to write me how the difference you are feeling after following these techniques. Keep on watching my videos, like it, share it, and do not forget to give your valuable comments. It is very valuable for me. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy, keep smiling. Bye bye.